What's up guys, PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and today I've got the Glaive USB mouse from Corsair. This thing's got RGB, 6 different buttons, and 16,000 DPI, which I don't know if you guys need all that, but I just thought it was pretty cool to have these extra macro buttons for when I'm editing or gaming or what have you. Now, excuse the loud sounds coming from the background. I just put an 860 Evo in my laptop and I'm trying to render a video right now. The issue is Premiere Pro kept crashing, so I had to use proxies to edit 4K files, and now the encoder is crashing when I'm trying to render. So it's just been awful. It's been awful. So what I'm doing right now is I'm just trying to do an unboxing video for this mouse, and I'm just going to put it out without editing it. So what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this mouse. I'm going to show you what it's all about, and hopefully you'll watch this video and get something out of it, and I can put out a video for you guys, and you don't think I'm MIA or anything. It's just the fact that CyberPower keeps sending me broken computers, and I don't have my editing rig. And I have this beautiful camera, GH5, I see you baby, I see you. I have this beautiful camera, and it spits out 150 megabits per second video, and I can't edit this on a regular laptop. I can, but it takes me 3 days to edit one video, and I really don't have the time to be doing this every day. I really am trying, guys, so please smack that subscribe button, smack that like button, and please show me some support. I'm trying. So, if you open up the window right here, you will see that you have the two interchangeable thumb grips. One's for fat hands, one for skinny hands. And you'll see the different color RGBs, which is pretty damn nifty right there. I like that. The thumb wheel is nice and big. And I believe this button right here will change the DPI. Yes. This button right here will switch you through the different series of DPI, and this mouse also has an app, so you change all these settings within the app, and the software comes with the purchase. So you're all set with that. You'll just have to download the software once you get inside this box here, which we will see in a moment. And then you have a macro button here, The thumb wheel is clickable, this button is clickable. And what else do we got here? Where are the other buttons? Alright, look on the back here. Alright. Alright. So, we've got 6 programmable buttons. One button, one button, one button, one button, one button, and one button. And I guess this is a button too, is that? No, that's the other changeable side. So I guess you can make one side fatter and the other side fatter. And then you've got 3-zone backlighting, onboard profile storage. So another cool thing about this mouse right here is when you save the settings for it and you unplug it from your computer and plug it into another computer, all your saved settings will actually go on the mouse. You don't actually need your computer. So if you're hopping from one computer to the other, your settings will be saved on the mouse. It has its own storage. So that's pretty awesome. Another reason I wanted this mouse was because I can switch between my laptop and my computer seamlessly, and I thought that was pretty cool. And I think the RGB is just an added bonus. I don't mind RGB, I also don't need it. So the first mouse that I bought was this Asus mouse, and I think it was like a 6,000 DPI. And it's not that I need more, it's just that I don't have any macros. So when I'm editing, I want to add some shortcuts. I want to add some shortcuts for like ripple edit, maybe not ripple edit, but I just want to add some shortcuts and get better. I want to get better with editing, so whatever I can do to speed up that process, I'm learning every day, guys, and that's what I suggest you guys do too. You know, we want to learn every single day, and we want to grow as people. So this will help me do that with these macro buttons, helping me learn. So I think that's awesome. I think this is a cool little mouse, so look, why don't we open it up, because I've done enough talking. So inside the box, we've got warranty guide right here, and no smell yet. I think it was already inside the air. So it's a rather strange box, I must say. Not really sure how I should be opening this. Oh, yep, that's how you open it. Okay, so the mouse comes out. There's a little booklet. Anything else in here? No. See, the box is a little strange, but I'm over it. Okay, so then this slides out right there. Pretty cool. You've got your thumb grips right here. And they look like they will click in. Okay, looks like they give you a little storage bag for it. Bag it and tag it. Not the most quality bag in the world, but it'll do. Okay, so let's open this bad boy up, and the wire is braided. First thing I've noticed. Second thing I've noticed is it has like a rubberized grip around it. So the cable is not super thick, but it is braided, so that's a nice bonus. Hopefully that is going to focus, and it is. So that's rather nice. I like the look of it a lot. And then the front of it looks like a little transformer. And the braided cable, nice and thick. And the Corsair USB. Wah-bang. Okay. And then as I had pointed out to you right there, that scroll wheel. Buttons are clicky, and you've got your buttons. So, I think I would like to stick with the regular small one. Unfortunately, my computer is editing right now, so, well, it's rendering the video right now, so if I plug this in, it'll get a little wonky right now, so I'm not able to do that, but we were able to do the unboxing, and the bottom of the mouse right there. I think it's a really good looking mouse, and I paid $69 for it, actually $59, it was on sale. As long as this braided cable stands up to the test of time, I love it. In comparison to the mouse that I did have, it's leagues above. Oh yeah, I love it. Change the color to match the PC. It actually goes better with my keyboard too. I really didn't like this mouse, so fits better in the hand too. Hopefully with one of these bad Larrys, I don't know which one I'll like better. Probably the skinny one. Let's see. Alright, so they just kind of pop off there. Let's try this funky one first. Oh, they're magnets. Wow, that is interesting. I don't hate it. I didn't think I was gonna like this big one here, but I actually like it because your thumb just chills there. It's actually pretty cool. I like it. I might use it. Okay. I like this one too. I don't know, guys. I like both of them. I even like the regular one that it comes with. That comes on it. So it gives you 3 of them. That's pretty awesome. I like this mouse, guys. I think it's a good buy. And it was on sale at Best Buy. $59. I think it's usually $69. This is a good deal. With the braided cable, the RGB, the software that comes with it. I think it's a good buy. I'm not mad at it. So if you're looking for a new mouse, I don't know if Corsair is your dig or not, but I think it's pretty cool. Now, I will have to test it out and let you know how I like it. And I'm actually going to try this little bat wing here. The quality of it is good. I'm not seeing any fingerprints, but I did just wash my hands. But I am digging it. I am digging the look of it. So that was just a quick unboxing of this mouse. I am going to set it up, and I'll let you know in the future how I like it and everything, but like I said, I still have 7 hours and 48 minutes. This Adobe Media Encoder has crashed 7 times already trying to render this UPS battery backup video, and it's actually been frozen on this screen for a long time, so my guess is it's going to crash again. I've tried just about everything I can to get this going, you know. I'm waiting to hear from UPS to figure out if my package has even made it back to CyberPower. I just know something's going to go wrong again because I've just had the worst luck with this computer. I'm trying to be positive, but I got it, the motherboard broke. Then I sent it back to them. They told me they fixed the motherboard, reinstalled Windows, sent it back to me. I got it back. I was recording the unboxing. I went to go turn it on, and the graphics card light was blinking. So I reseated the graphics card, turned it back on, and the computer crashed right away. So I was like, holy shit, that's not good. So I downloaded a program that I could monitor the CPU temp, and sure enough, it was almost 90 degrees Celsius. So I made sure that the CPU cooler was seated properly, and I felt it, and it seemed like it wasn't pumping at all. So I don't know how it can go in for the motherboard and come back with a broken pump. It's crazy. I don't know, guys. I'll have to see what happens when I get this computer back from CyberPower. But I'm praying that it comes back fixed, because I spent way too much money on this computer to get screwed over by all these different companies. So hopefully it gets worked out. But I'm glad that I was able to put out a quick unboxing video. I'm sorry that it's unpolished, and I'm sorry that, you know, all I can do is unbox it and just show you my new mouse, but it's something. So hopefully that entertained you guys. Hopefully you don't think I'm a loser. No, I'm just kidding. But hopefully you don't think anything of me. You know, I really would like to be editing these videos. Believe me, this is killing me. This is causing me so much problems, believe me. Anxiety, anger, resentment. I'm feeling a lot of different feelings right now, and all I want to do is edit my videos and make videos and get better at what I'm doing, and I can't do that. And I just want to make videos for you guys, and I want you guys to enjoy them. So all in all, I hope I can get back to doing what I love doing. And I appreciate you guys watching, and if you're watching this for the first time, I'd appreciate if you subscribed. I'm a new tech channel. I've been learning how to edit and learning how to put together the videos better. I just bought this camera. It's a GH5, so I can record in 4K 60. Regular computers can't edit these videos, so I bought a Threadripper PC, but it crashed. So CyberPower tried to fix it. We're going on the second time it's there. Well, it's not there. It's on the way there. So we'll see what happens. I mean, if you want to know what happens, definitely subscribe. Or if you're interested in seeing how I progress as a YouTuber, definitely subscribe. And I'd really appreciate your support. I definitely do, guys. Also, I was demonetized by YouTube 2 weeks ago. The hits just keep coming, guys. So I know you don't want to hear this. I don't want to talk about it anymore. I got the 1,000 subscribers, I got the watch time, and my channel was still demonetized. So support is welcome, support is needed. I've got to keep pumping out videos, I've got to keep being positive, and got to keep being awesome, you know? That's all I can do. So basically putting out an unedited video to just let you guys know I'm still buying stuff, I'm still recording videos, I'm still editing videos. I'm really trying my best, guys, okay? So I just want to thank you for watching, and remember, you can follow me on social media at PizzlesTechTime, and that's everything: Instagram, Snapchat, Twitter, YouTube, PizzlesTechTime. Please take a look at my social media. I post almost every day. I try to keep it a little exciting. Twitter's popping off. We got a lot of other YouTubers that we're supporting. We've got a nice community going on there. So you're welcome to come check us out. Come check me out. Why not? And I appreciate your time. So I hope you guys have a great day. And remember, I'm here for you guys. If you have any questions, PizzlesTechTime, I'm here for you guys. So don't hesitate to ask if you have any questions. Alright guys, I'll see you later. Peace.